The commissioners and the secretariat quarrel all the time. Even when you change the commissioners, you will notice that commissions also fight amongst themselves. You will also notice that the law seems to create unusual decision-making, where a minority view can prevail over a majority view because the chair happens to be sitting in that minority.
We believe that that is water down the bridge. We are a country that upholds the rule of law, and we are all aware that the judiciary had already pronounced itself on that matter. The highest level of the judiciary, that is the Supreme Court, had already pronounced itself on the matter of the 2022 presidential election.
Impunity has dictated to those offices that orders should not be respected, that the rebellious group in Jubilee should manage the resources. I am informed as we speak about 90 million Kenyan shilling cannot be traced, cannot be accounted, no transparency. It was never sanctioned by the party.
You all, of course, are aware about the statutory of IBC under the Constitution, and what we are proposing as a coalition is that since we already have a law in place with regards to the selection panel to the IBC, which law is in place as of now, we propose that we allow the Commission to proceed and conclude with the process of establishing the Commission in order for it to ensure that we fast track whatever is outstanding in terms of